Yo guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bells so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. And also do make sure you comment on the section box, so it helps with the YouTube algorithm. So basically what I do on this channel here is that I do post videos on how to use certain apps. It could be the money making apps, the investing apps, and just some other cool features that I would like to just share with you guys to create more awareness, and it also to create value to you guys. So today I'll be showing you guys how to use the capital.com app. So what is capital.com app? For those of you who don't know what capital.com is, capital.com is it's a broker. It's a broker which enables you to be able to invest into the stock market, into the forex market, into the ETFs, commodities, and so much more. So I am currently using this broker right now because it's the best I've found after switching from different brokers though. But this one, it's easy to understand, and it's just literally the best because you get to understand everything easily, and the deposit and withdrawing and the deposit and withdrawing ways are so easy. So I'll be launching the app right now to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the app. I click on it, and actually I'm on a demo account. So as you can see, this is a demo account here. One cool thing I love about this app is that for the demo you can adjust the balance. Look at adjust balance. You can take it up all the way from $31 $31,000 up the way to $100,000. But what's the need, like trading with $100,000 when you realize you cannot deposit up to $100,000 in a brokerage account that you don't even trust, or this is just your first time. So what I do is I just actually set it on what I feel like I'll be able to deposit 1,000, maybe. I just type $100. So that's what I do and confirm. So first of all, I'll be showing you how to switch between demo and live accounts. So like this is the demo account. If you want to switch to the live account, you just click on the account section here. Then you see switch to real money. So that's just it. You click on switch to real money, and it's basically the same thing. The demo account and the live account is the same thing actually. So this is the trade option, and this trade option, I don't have any money on my account right now. Let me be showing you guys with the demo accounts, just based on because of some privacy issues and stuff like that. So basically, if you want to use this app, the main things you just need to understand all these tabs below the bottom of the app. So first of all, we have the trade, and in this trade we have all the type of markets that are available for you to trade. One thing I love is that they do rank the market according to favorites, popular, recently traded, new, weekend trade. This weekend trading are trades that don't open during the weekdays. Like, let me say, for example, the Bitcoin and the crypto markets are under weekend trading, and some other markets that you might not even have heard about. They are just so much. And okay, this is the commodities. These commodities includes crude oil, natural gas, gold, barrels, oil, silver, cotton, and so on like that. This is the oil market. Includes lots of. I've never traded on this before. Then this is the indices. The indices, we have the Nasdaq 100, the SP 500, the DAX 40, the Russell 2000, and so many others. They're just so much, but I think no, this is not so much like that. But as you can see, all the markets are closed now because I'm making this video on a Friday, and on a Saturday, and it's already 1:19 a.m. and all the forex and all the markets are closed except for the cryptocurrency market. So this is the forex market right now, and this is the Euro USD GBP. This is where you can find all the forex markets, all the forex trades and everything. So as you can see, there are a lot of pairs to choose from. One thing I love about this capital.com app is that it gives you a lot of different options to trade with. Like, there are over, I don't even know, there are just so much. Do you want to trade the CHF against the Turkish lira? Do you want to trade the CHF against, just pick anything you want. And they literally have, I think they have all the currency, including Nigerian naira. So that's just basically it. So like, this is for the forex. This is for the forex market. Then as for crypto, we have the Bitcoin USDT, the Bitcoin USD. This is not USDT. Bitcoin USD, Ripple USD, Ethereum USD, Shiba, and lots of them, like different coins. There's so much that I can't even scroll to the end. So this is the shares. In the shares, we have the Tesla, just different stocks like that. We have this Tesla, the Snapchat, and so many others like that. So you just pick which of them you want to trade, and we have the ETF. I think these ETFs are like maybe companies that are related to maybe pharmaceutical companies, energy companies, and stuff like that. But I don't really know much about ETF. They have the Temac investments, like there are just so many. And we have the futures. I don't know. I think this is not working for now. So that's just it. So okay. Let me first start. Recently traded. Okay, because I traded crude recently. So popular. Let's start with the popular first. No, sorry. Let us start with the forex market first. As for the forex market, we have the Euro USD, and so I'll be showing you how the chart looks like. As you can see now, the market is closed because this is a Saturday, like I said earlier. So this is the once you click on the market, you're gonna see the trade. The candlesticks are actually blue and red, not green and red. And I kind of like this blue and red way because it's different. And as for me, I prefer it because it makes the charts more understandable. Like the green and red is the most popular one, but this is just more unique, and I just prefer it like this. So as you can see, the market is closed, and we have the up here. We have the Euro USD, and we have the add alerts. If you want to add alerts, maybe buy or sell alert, you just click on add alert, then you click on which way you want to add alert, whether it's buy or sell. So for example, maybe you want to sell and keep an alert on when the price is at this particular point. So you just click on sell and input the price. I would have actually loved if they could have been able to use an adjustment in the chart. Maybe I just, instead of cramming the numbers, because it's really hard to cram the numbers, instead you just adjust. Maybe you just adjust the line upward or downward. So I think it's upward. Yeah, since you are selling, so you have to wait for the market to be up, the chart to be up. So you have to find selling opportunities. And when you are buying, you wait for the market to go down. That's like you buy the dip to down. You wait for the market to go down, then you buy. While selling, it's when it's up you sell. So that's just basically it. So that's for add alerts. And so, like, let me just give you guys a hint. For example, if you want to trade, or let me just give you a quick strategy. If you want to trade, there are some people they do trade daily. Some people do love, like, they love putting the charts. They enjoy putting the charts on a daily form. And when it's on a daily form, it's like you view the chart on a daily chart. So like this is the daily chart right now. As you can see, this was the way the candlestick was before. So let me just this is a day chart. So let me just give you guys a quick example for those who love trading on a 15 minutes time frame. What you do is that if you want to enter a candlestick, or for example if you want to enter a trade, and let me say the candlestick for example is red like this now, so you just click on 1 minute time frame and you wait. When the candlestick goes down, let me say below these blue ones, then you buy quickly. So that's just what I wanted to say actually. But although if you have other strategies, you can use it. But just a quick hint, it's not like that's the main strategy I'm using. It's just one of the things I found out. So as for me, okay, back to the review. We have the 1 minute, the time frames. We have the 1 minute time frame. We have the 5 minute time frame. We have the 15-minute time frame. We have the 30-minute time frame, like that. So that's just the way it is. You click on whichever one you want, and then we also have the way you want to view the charts. This is like an area view instead of candlesticks, and this is like a line, just lines, and this is I think this is just I don't really know what it's called though. Then this is the candlesticks. Then this is Helsinki Hashiki, something like that. I don't really know how to pronounce it though. So that's just basically it. The app is very user friendly, like so easy to use. Trust me. Under 1 week you'll be able to understand, be able to use this app. Trust me. Like for real, it didn't even take me up to a month to be able to understand this app. Highest, let's say like 2 weeks, 1 week. So that's just it. So if you want to, I think the market was open now, I would have placed a trade, but I'll still place the trade in Bitcoin USD market that's open right now. So if you want to maximize the chart, you click on this icon here, then you can maximize it and see the way it is. So as you can see, this is how it is right now. So wait a minute, I need to change it back to candlesticks. So that's the way it is for now. And okay, so these are the different markets. Everything is the same. You buy and sell at the same time, like that. So now let me go to weekend trading. As for weekend trading, we have the Bitcoin USD, and when you click on it, you can see this is the way it is. So for example, now let me say the market is like this, and you want to, this is an uptrend. Oh sorry, you can't just find an uptrend in a 1 minute chart. So for example, I put it on a 15 minutes, or the way I love trading in a 1 hour time frame, so I see it from a more clearer view. So that's just the way it is. So right now I want you guys to write down in the comment section, what do you think this trade is? Should I buy or sell? Should I ask or bid? You understand? Alright, so I'll be giving you guys a minute to guess. Just comment down in the comment section, in the comment box, what do you think this trade will be? So as for me, I think this trade is heading to sell, but not at this point. This blue candle here is still gonna rise to, let's say, to this level, then before you can sell. So I would probably advise anyone that wants to get into this market to, let's say, wait until the candlestick is between this area, or just add an alert when it's between this area, then you sell. But if you want to get into the market, like you want to make a quick profit, then you could just buy it at this point. So let's see, I want to buy one Bitcoin. I think that's too much, 0.1. Fuck, it's still too much, man. Alright, so that's just it. So I click on buy. As you can see, you bought this amount of Bitcoin at. It's just paper money, it's not real money. So that's just it. Like my trade went up than the way it was before. But as you can see, if you notice the red P&L is gonna be reducing to show that I'm gaining profits, a little profit. So that's just the way it is. Here you input the amount that you want to buy or sell, then in this place, in this particular side here, you can take the stop loss and the take profits and stuff like that. So that's just how it is. The app is very user friendly, and trust me, you'll be able to understand it. So as you can see, I think the market is going my way, because it's kind of reducing. It was at 60 something when I bought it, also when I was at 53. I think it's gonna go up, like I said. So yeah, 48 right now. So I think for those who choose the buyer at the on the winning side here, although it's nothing serious though, it's just a test. So as you can see, this is the margin required. This margin required is like, before you place any trade, you need to deposit. Although we're trading on leverage right now, but you need to have a certain amount of money required that has to be on ground to back up your trade. If that money is not enough, you won't be able to place a trade based on, maybe, let me say, your lot size. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin at a higher price, your margin required will be high, based on the fact that you bought enough amount of BTC. So you need to have enough margin, enough balance to keep your trade open. And once your balance reduces, automatically the broker takes his money back. That's which the leverage he gave you, and the trade is cancelled. So that's just the way it is. As you can see, price range. As you can see, the buyers are more than the sellers. So that's just basically the way it is. So what else do I need to show? Okay, this is the portfolio. The portfolio here, you see your trades that are open, your trades and everything, your profits and everything. So for example, this USD JPY market that's closed now, and if you want to close the trade, you could just click on the X button here. So as you can see, I bought 2000 worth of I think, let me click it. Okay, first of all, as you can see, this is a margin required, 19.98 US dollar. So I bought 2000 watts of it, I think so. Although I've not set a profit and stuff like that, but as you can see, I'm already at a little profit of 0.004. Why it's so slow like that? Because of the amount I bought. To see quick results, maybe I have to increase my trade size. So that's just basically it. The same thing with Bitcoin and everything. So this is orders recently traded, top risers, top fallers. Although these orders are, it's good for, let me say, a beginner. For example, if you're looking for the right market to trade in, or you're looking for the right market to get into, you just click on anyone recently traded top risers, and I think most people will go for the top risers. That's to find the uptrends. So you just click here and you see the uptrends, the markets that are doing well within the last 24 hours. So as you can see, these are them. Then alerts. So search, the same thing. Then news. I've never clicked on this before. This is my first time clicking on the news. You just see the news and everything. So then accounts. So this is the way it is. This is my demo account. As you can see, okay, let me show you guys how to okay, in this trade options, you have the ability to increase or reduce your leverage. So when I click on the leverage here, this is for currencies, this is for indices, this is for commodities, this is for shares. So for currencies, we have a leverage size from 1 to 1 up to 200 ratio 1. So actually why I left it on this 100 to 1 is because the live account only has the maximum of 100 to 1. So that's why I left it here. So I won't be trading out of trading out of my own will. Like, when whatever you're doing on the demo account is literally what you plan on doing on the live account. So I can't be trading 200 to 1. Meanwhile, in the live account, I can't trade up to that. So I just want to do something that's within my reach. That's why I also changed the amounts, the fake money. So I also reduced it from 100,000 to at least $100, which I believe $100, $200, $300, which I believe every beginner needs to start with. I won't advise anyone going into something like this with $1,000 or $2,000. So like, what the fuck, man? You have money to just be wasting around and stuff like that. You need to have at least a year or more knowledge about this before you could invest in large or huge amounts of money like that. So as for the indices, the leverage is on 20 to 1, although you can increase it and stuff like that. I don't really trade much of indices, so I left it here. Then for shares, it's on 5 to 1, and for cryptocurrencies it's on 10 to 1. I just trade more of currencies, so that's why it's 100 to 1. If I want to trade cryptocurrencies, I use other brokerage accounts. So this is if you want to rename your accounts and just balance. So that's just basically the way it is. So if you want to deposit, well, wait a minute, I'll go to how to deposit money, but this is for payments. Let me switch to real money first. So if you want to deposit funds, you click on this, then you click on bank cards. For example, like if you want to deposit funds based on my country where I'm in right now, I can only deposit through bank cards. It's not giving me the bank transfer option. There's some countries where bank transfer options are available, but for the country I registered my accounts under, weights or under, it only accepts bank cards. So you just click on the amounts. The minimum amount of depositing in capital.com is $20. Maximum is I think maximum is $1,000. So that's just the way it is. So you press on continue and you just input your card details and everything. So that's basically everything you need to know. The basic things you need to know. So for settings here, you can either change the settings to the language. You can either change the language or stuff like that. Then for dark theme, you can change the dark theme or whatever, but I prefer it light. Then for notification, you have everything, and so that's just basically everything you need to know about the capital.com app. I will leave a link in the description below to help you. If you want to download the app, you just click on my link and you download the app and you try it out. Trust me, like, believe me, this app is a very, very good app, and it's user friendly. And you can also log into the app or check the web type on your web browser. You just click on www.capital.com and you log into your account on your PC or your computer, and it takes you to see everything. Like, you see it in a more wider form and stuff like that. So that's just it, guys. So I'd like you to drop a comment in the comment section. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe also, and turn on the notification bell so you get alerted whenever I drop a new video like this. So guys, thank you for watching this video and stay blessed.